We all use the internet every day to scroll, stream, chat, shop, and search. But what exactly is the internet? The internet is not just the cloud. It is a massive global network made up of computers, servers, routers, and cables. These all work together to deliver data worldwide. Your device connects to a router, which sends your data through internet service providers, or ISPs, and then to web servers. Think of it like sending a digital letter. Your browser request travels across this network to fetch a response, bringing websites and apps to you. Let's break it down in simple terms, perfect for anyone curious or teaching others. First, you'll hear about IP addresses, which are like digital home addresses. DNS, or Domain Name System, helps translate website names into those addresses. And packets? They're tiny chunks of data carrying everything from your messages to your favorite videos. Data zooms across undersea fiber optic cables, then reaches you through Wi-Fi or cellular towers, connecting the world in real time. Like, subscribe, and comment with something new you learned about the internet today.